Hello everyone, and welcome to the final part of the Follow series on this Luxe 38GFB Gold fifth wheel. The previous parts are in the description below. Starting at the cap, we have the Moride hitch, which is standard on all of our coaches except for our larger toy haulers. The generator bay, which is void of said generator. The large pass-through storage will not have exposed wiring or pipes, which you might be used to seeing. It's all enclosed. Then we have the upgraded step above stairs, keyless entry, and the above entry camera, which is a part of our 4-camera system. Outside entertainment with dinette awning. We have the standard 2-color paint scheme, which is standard on our toy haulers and the Gold series. The electric power cord reel, which is 30 feet, so ease of returning the cord, it's extremely nice. And we'll head on inside. Welcome to the interior of the 38GFB. We have a beachfront and Chelsea gray decor with shaker style cabinets. First off is the solid surface dinette with buffet that comes out to 2 leaves, so you can have guests. The overhead cabinetry and theater seating here. Sweeping over, we have the sleeper sofa, which is queen size. The Luxe Gold series comes with attic storage. We've had owners store seasonal items, bulk items, things you don't mind needing a step up for. There's the 4K LED HD Smart TV and the 5000 BTU furnace. And I want to come into the 24-inch residential oven. When building a 38GFB, you can choose to have the 30-inch or the Insignia electric cooktop. It's really up to you and how much counter space you need or want. We wanted to point out the pantry with the pull-out drawers, plenty of deep space, and as always, even in our Gold series, the drawers are all real wood, dovetailed, and the glide is mounted underneath for space and strength. The island gives a nice pop with the Chelsea gray coloring. And the sink is a single bowl composite. There are 8 other colors in our composite sinks, and you have a stainless steel option as well. Pantry here with plenty of space for groceries. Luxe fifth wheels always come with a residential style fridge. You can upgrade to a water and ice line if you like. One of the greatest features about the 38GFB is the half bath, and this is something that can be tweaked instead of a half bath if you'd like more storage or pantry space. Into the bedroom with a king-size bed. Each side has their own nightstand, USB 110 outlet combo, and reading lights. The bed does lift for storage underneath. Here is the wardrobe, TV, and egress window. And don't panic about clothing or wardrobe space, trust me. The bathroom has dual sinks, medicine cabinets, and over-the-toilet storage, the residential-style shower with the teak seat. Now the curtain is just an option. You can have a shower door in place of it. This was just a choice. Now that the closet is why I told you not to panic about plenty of room. Laundry is right in here, and back to the closet, it boasts the hanging rod, the shoe rack, and matching dressers. This concludes the follow series for this Luxe 38GFB. Stay tuned for the next series from start to finish. Till next time, subscribe, drop a comment, or give us a call.